The default background color in AutoCAD is black. If you want to change the background color, follow these steps. First, on the command line, type Option. Click the Display tab. Then the Colors panel. Choose 2D Model Space and Uniform Background, which is selected by default. Click the Color drop-down menu and select the desired color. Click Apply and then OK. There are other ways to open the Option dialog box, including click Application button, then Options. Right-click on the screen and then Options.